It took him just over 2 seconds to finish this. This man has mastered his own work. Buckets is one of the ground events which the whole team has to work together to be successful. When artists show off their cooking skills. A skilled farmer growing vegetables at an impressive speed. And this is how an electrician descends after completing the job. Making these large pottery jars requires at least 2 people to complete. The chef turns a watermelon radish into a pink net. Impressive teamwork to produce a giant sheet of paper. Like a fantastic snowplow. Wow. I hope she gets paid well for this job. The age of machines has come and workers will be so happy to have these machines.
In the way meat is cut and prepared. When entering the pork production line, you will encounter a lively space where the aroma of fresh meat and the sounds of continuously operating machines create a vibrant and exciting atmosphere. Dynamic. Egg conveyor lines are not only a part of the production process, but also the heart of food safety and quality assurance. Each egg moves on the conveyor belt with softness and grace, creating a harmonious and comforting image. Eggs are not only a rich source of protein, but also a symbol of creativity and diversity in cuisine. From simple breakfasts to luxury dishes, eggs always play an important and indispensable role in our daily meals. With the ability to remove dirt, bacteria, and other contaminants, egg washers ensure that eggs are thoroughly cleaned before continuing into the processing process. At the same time, egg washing machines also ensure water and energy savings and are an indispensable part of modern food factories. To create delicious and quality Frankfurter sausages, manufacturers often use pork, beef, and other natural spices to create a unique and rich flavor. When enjoying Frankfurters, you are not only enjoying a delicious dish, but also experiencing the diligence and passion of the food workers. If you've ever been curious about the process of making ham and attract a traditional dish, this is your chance to discover its magic. The process of producing ham is not only an art, but also a combination of talent and science. Each ham is created with passion by culinary artisans to ensure that every piece of ham is delicious and delicious. Enjoying a piece of smoked pork, you will feel the perfect balance between the sweet flavor of the meat and the characteristic smoky aroma, creating an authentic and unforgettable culinary experience.